On today's episode, we bring you yet another inspiring testimony of 19-year-old Joanne, who was diagnosed with lung failure. What started as asthma when she was 3 months old worsened over the years due to several medications she had to take. Her life became a struggle, and she had to constantly depend on her medications and nebulizer to feel better. It became a concern for the family, and as a result, her mother Shireen brought her to the healing school for a divine intervention. Watch her story.
My name is Shireen Govinsamy. I'm from KZN, South Africa. The person sitting beside me is my daughter. Her name is Joanne Govinsamy. The condition that brought her here to the healing school is a lung. From the time she was born, from about 3 months old, she had a problem with breathing. And every time I took her to a hospital, they used to give her the pump and put her on steroids, and they asked me to buy her a nebulizing machine for oxygen. And this condition has actually gone now to almost 19 years. She's 19 years old. Due to this condition, towards the ending of last year, she had a lung failure. She uses the inhaler, 2 inhalers. One is a preventer and one is a steroid pump. She takes prednisone tablets. She starts off with about 20 a day, and then it gradually drops it to like 15. She takes it like for a long period, and she also takes the nebulizer. That helps her when she's having a problem to breathe. And the pump and all the tablets, steroids, does not help her. That's when I have to put her on the machine.
This condition has changed my life is because I don't do the things normal people at my age do. I stopped doing so many things in my life due to this. I have to always carry the pump with me. I can't even smell perfume and my chest gets heavy. And being so young, it's affected my life. I want God to heal me of this condition and set me completely free and healed.
At the healing school, the man of God, Pastor Chris, ministered to her, and she was completely free. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Joanne Govinsamy.
The condition that brought me into the healing school was a lung failure. After being in hospital for 3 months, there was nothing that doctors could do for me, and they gave up hope. They asked my mom to please take me home. Let me enjoy the weekend with my family, as I would not see past this weekend. Thereafter, my mom decided to bring me to the healing school. When it came to the day that the man of God ministered to me, I remember the teachings that we've learned here was to be focused, to look into the man of God's eyes. But as I recall him coming close to me, it was something I could not do. The Holy Spirit, the anointing was so high that my body started to tremble and to shake before Pastor even came towards me. I could feel the tremble in my body. The experience was like nothing I've ever felt before. It was amazing to feel the power of God in such a way. I'm forever grateful to God. After the healing school, I had an appointment with a lung specialist to go back and re-perform this lung function test and to see where it will go further. When I went back to see the specialist and I did my lung function, it was performing at 88%.
88%, from 15% to 88%.
88.
In the space of 2 weeks.
Yes, Pastor. Even the lung specialist, he was so surprised. He didn't understand, but I told him, this is the power of God. This is the God that I serve.
It was such an impactful 3 days of prayers, prophecies, testimonies, and worship at the 2020 Healing School Online Prayer Conference, which took place from Wednesday the 19th through Friday the 21st of February 2020. Thank you, dear esteemed pastors and partners, for joining your voices in prayer for the upcoming Healing School session in South Africa. and for the sick and hurting all around the world. The Healing School Autumn Session in South Africa begins this week. Be a vital part of this session. Be God's outstretched arm of healing to thousands from several countries around the world who will be attending this session. Healing School Partners, together taking healing to the nations.